In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Link by Stripe at checkout. Start by making sure you are already signed in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard page, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open your account settings, where you can manage payment and checkout options for your Stripe account. After that, find and click Payment Methods. This section shows the payment methods that are available for your account and lets you control which ones are turned on for checkout. Scroll through the list until you find Link by Stripe. When you see it, click on it to open the details page. On the Link by Stripe page, take a moment to review the information shown there. This area may include details about how the payment method works, any requirements for activation, and where it can appear in your checkout flow. Make sure everything looks correct for your business and your current Stripe setup. Next, click Enable or Turn On, depending on the label shown in your dashboard. If Stripe asks you to confirm or save the change, click Save to apply it. Once that is done, Link by Stripe should be activated for your account. Now move on to your checkout setup. Open the Stripe product you are using for payments, such as a payment link, a Stripe checkout page, or a payment element configuration. Check the available payment options and confirm that Link by Stripe now appears as one of the choices for customers. To make sure everything is working correctly, complete a test checkout. Go through the payment flow the same way a customer would, and verify that Link by Stripe is visible and working as expected for eligible customers. This is an important final check because availability can depend on the customer, the payment setup, and the checkout configuration you are using. If Link by Stripe does not appear right away, return to the payment method settings and confirm that the change was saved successfully. Then review your checkout configuration again to make sure it supports the payment method. Once you have confirmed that Link by Stripe is enabled and showing correctly at checkout, the setup is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.